Our journey begins in the design studio, where engineers conceptualize the next-generation commercial television display. Advanced CAD software transforms concepts into precise technical specifications, defining every component's exact dimensions and placement.
Research and development teams create initial prototypes to test design feasibility and performance under various conditions.
Quality begins with selection. Procurement specialists carefully choose premium materials from certified global suppliers worldwide. The LCD journey begins at our state-of-the-art Japanese facility, renowned for precision manufacturing excellence.
Workers enter ISO Class 4 clean rooms, where even microscopic particles are eliminated to ensure perfection.
Ultra-thin glass substrates undergo rigorous ultrasonic cleaning, removing impurities down to nanometer-level precision standards. Molecular-level thin films are deposited onto glass using advanced plasma-enhanced chemical vapor deposition technology chambers. Photolithography creates microscopic circuit patterns, enabling precise pixel control with submicron accuracy across entire panels. Ultraviolet light precisely transfers circuit patterns onto panels, creating millions of transistors for individual pixel control. Chemical etching removes unwanted material, revealing intricate circuit patterns that form the foundation of display technology. Thin film transistors form the active matrix, creating the electronic backbone that controls each pixel independently. Precision color filters are applied in red, green, and blue patterns, enabling full-spectrum color reproduction capabilities. Alignment layers are carefully applied and rubbed, creating microscopic grooves that orient liquid crystal molecules uniformly. Microscopic spacer beads maintain precise gap between glass layers, ensuring uniform liquid crystal cell thickness throughout.
UV curable sealant is robotically applied, creating airtight perimeter seal for liquid crystal containment and protection. Substrates are aligned with micron-level precision and bonded under vacuum, creating the sealed liquid crystal cell. Pure liquid crystal material is vacuum injected into cells, filling microscopic spaces between substrates with precise quantity.
Injection ports are permanently sealed using UV-cured adhesive, ensuring lifetime protection against liquid crystal degradation.
Polarizing films are precisely laminated to both panel surfaces, enabling light control and image visibility enhancement.
Precision laser cutting separates individual panels from large mother glass, achieving perfect edges without micro cracks. Diamond abrasives grind and polish panel edges, removing sharp edges and ensuring safe handling throughout assembly. Every panel undergoes rigorous optical inspection, detecting defects as small as individual pixels across the entire surface. Electrical characteristics are verified, including response time, voltage requirements, and signal integrity under various operating conditions. High-efficiency LED arrays are mounted on thermal management substrates, ensuring optimal brightness and longevity performance.
Optical-grade light guide plates are precision molded with microscopic patterns that distribute LED light uniformly.
Optical films, including diffusers and brightness enhancement layers, are stacked, maximizing light efficiency and uniformity.
LED arrays, light guides, reflectors, and optical films are assembled into complete backlight illumination system. Backlight uniformity and brightness are measured across entire surface, ensuring consistent illumination without hotspots or darkness. LCD panels are precisely aligned and bonded to backlight units, creating integrated display module assembly. Display driver integrated circuits are bonded directly to panel edges using automated chip-on-glass technology. Flexible printed circuits connect driver chips to external control boards, enabling signal transmission and power delivery. Integrated display modules undergo comprehensive testing, including color accuracy, uniformity, response time, and defect detection.
Protective films are applied to prevent scratches during shipping and handling before final television assembly begins.
Modules are packaged in custom protective containers with anti-static materials for safe international shipping to assembly.
Comprehensive quality documentation accompanies each module, providing full traceability and performance verification data throughout lifecycle.
Modules are consolidated for climate-controlled shipping, ensuring safe transit to United States assembly facility.
temperature-monitored containers transport precision LCD modules across Pacific Ocean to American assembly manufacturing facilities.
Shipments arrive at United States ports, where customs clearance and quality verification inspections are performed.
Modules are stored in climate-controlled facility with precise inventory tracking, ensuring first-in, first-out rotation. High-strength aluminum and steel chassis are precisely stamped and formed using automated metalworking equipment.
Chassis receive durable powder coating finish, providing corrosion resistance and professional appearance for commercial applications.
Advanced surface mount technology lines assemble control boards with thousands of precision components per hour.
Precision stencils apply solder paste to circuit board pads, preparing surface for component placement accuracy. Robotic placement systems position components with micron accuracy at speeds exceeding 50,000 placements per hour.
Boards travel through precisely controlled heating zones, melting solder and forming permanent electrical connections reliably. Advanced optical inspection systems verify component placement, solder quality, and detect defects at microscopic level.
Larger connectors and components are manually inserted and soldered, combining automation with skilled human craftsmanship.
Wave soldering creates reliable connections for through-hole components using molten solder cascade technique efficiently.
Boards undergo ultrasonic cleaning, removing flux residues, ensuring long-term reliability and preventing corrosion issues.
In-circuit testers verify every component and connection, detecting manufacturing defects before boards enter final assembly.
Control boards receive firmware programming containing operating system and feature configurations for specific TV models.
High-efficiency power supply modules are assembled, converting AC input to precise DC voltages required throughout.
Power supplies undergo rigorous testing, including efficiency, ripple, load regulation, and safety compliance verification standards.
Audio speakers are assembled and tuned, ensuring clear sound reproduction, meeting commercial audio quality standards.
Custom cable harnesses are assembled with precise lengths and connectors, organizing internal electrical connections systematically.
All components for each television are organized into kits, ensuring efficient assembly line workflow optimization.
Final assembly begins as chassis move through dedicated workstations where skilled technicians integrate all components. Japanese LCD modules are carefully aligned and secured into chassis, connecting flex cables to control boards.
Main control boards are mounted and connected, establishing communication pathways between display and processing systems.
Power supply modules are installed with proper grounding and electrical isolation, ensuring safety and reliability.
And cable harnesses are routed and connected following engineered pathways, maintaining signal integrity and serviceability.
Audio speakers are precisely positioned and connected, optimizing sound distribution for commercial viewing environments. Thermal management systems, including heat sinks and ventilation, ensure reliable operation under continuous commercial use.
Rear covers are secured with precision fasteners, completing structural assembly while maintaining serviceability access.
Display stands or mounting brackets are attached, providing stable support while maintaining clean, professional appearance.
Each television receives first power-on test, verifying basic functionality and detecting assembly or component issues. Units undergo extended burn-in testing, operating continuously to identify early failures before reaching customers.
Professional colorimeters measure and adjust display characteristics, ensuring accurate color reproduction, meeting industry standards.
Brightness uniformity is measured across entire screen, ensuring consistent illumination without visible variations or defects.
Response time and motion handling are tested using high-speed cameras, verifying smooth video reproduction capabilities.
Audio systems are tested for frequency response, distortion, and output levels, ensuring clear commercial-grade sound.
All input and output connections are tested, including HDMI, USB, and network ports, verifying compatibility.
Smart television features, including apps, streaming, and network connectivity undergo comprehensive functionality testing procedures.
Remote controls are paired and tested, verifying all buttons, infrared signals, and wireless connectivity function correctly.
Energy consumption is measured across various brightness levels, ensuring compliance with energy efficiency certification requirements.
Comprehensive safety tests verify electrical insulation, grounding, and protection systems meet international safety standards.
Electromagnetic interference and compatibility testing ensures devices don't emit excessive radiation or suffer from interference.
Sample units undergo drop and vibration testing, simulating transportation stresses and verifying structural integrity.
Environmental chambers cycle temperatures from extreme cold to hot, verifying reliable operation across climate conditions.
Trained inspectors perform detailed visual examination, checking for cosmetic defects, scratches, or assembly imperfections.
Each unit receives unique serial number, regulatory labels, and documentation, enabling lifetime traceability and warranty support. All accessories, including remote controls, cables, manuals, and mounting hardware, are verified and packaged together.
Televisions receive multi-layer protective wrapping, including foam corners, screen protection, and moisture-resistant films.
Boxes are sealed, labeled with shipping information, and scanned into inventory tracking systems for distribution.
Quality commercial televisions reach customers worldwide, delivering exceptional viewing experiences backed by comprehensive warranty support.